Hello, everyone. Today, I want to demonstrate what our AI summarization from URL template does. We can choose the template from the Flow Library tab and select the AI summarization from URL option. Input a URL you want to summarize. This flow leverages advanced AI to efficiently summarize content from a provided URL. By analyzing the text, it identifies key points and essential details, transforming lengthy articles, web pages, or documents into clear, concise summaries. This tool is designed to save time and improve productivity, offering a quick snapshot of the most important information while maintaining the original context and meaning. There's a full video on how you can make this flow for your own linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.